Hello everybody and welcome to this new video. In this video, I will show you how to construct a pie chart. I have an example of the marital status in the year 2006 and I will show you how to construct the pie chart. So to do that, you need first to select all of my data. So I'm going to select all of my data, go to the Insert tab, and then go to the Charts section and click on the pie chart and select the first one. Now click on the title to change it. Now this chart doesn't have data on it, doesn't have any information to display that. Either you can edit it by going to this plus sign and this funnel shape, or you could just go to the top where it says chart styles and pick up one style that shows the data. I picked this one, and as you can see, it showed my data on the chart and nicely displayed the key to read this pie chart. Notice that what I have on my pie chart is not the frequency, it is the relative frequency, which is the percent. If you're doing this manually, you will need to calculate the relative frequency before you construct your pie chart. But Excel is smart enough to calculate those values for you when you construct the pie chart. I hope this video helped you, and I will see you soon.